guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hi, I'm Stacey. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. You are joining us for the best Glossybox reveal ever. So it is actually Glossybox's birthday month, so it's come in the cutest little box. This ribbon is just gorgeous. So when you take it off, you are greeted by this. So there's a little leaflet here. So I'll go through this leaflet now when we're going through the products. So if I just open it up with you now. Oh, I always make a mess of the paper. Oh well, that was not done nicely with it. Okay, so we've got these products. I'm so excited. So let's just get into it now. I've got my little leaflet here, so it'll tell us all about it. Okay, so the most exciting thing that I was really happy and really excited to try is Glossybox skincare range. This is brand new, and this is the Eye Boost cream. So it says, "Ooh, you're the first to try this product and it's our special gift to you. If the formula blends elderflower, eye bright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and fresh, tired looking eyes. We hope you love it as much as we do." So the regular retail price is £20, but if you are a subscriber you get a discount of £4, so you will only pay £16. So it's another benefit of being a subscriber. Sorry, it's very warm. I'm not coping very well in this heat. Okay, so let's open this up and see what the formula is actually like. As you can see, I have very bad dark circles and lines under my eyes, so I can't wait to try it. So there is 15ml of product in here. Doesn't really have a smell. Let's check the formula. Okay, so it's, yeah, that feels really nice. But it's no scent to it, it's unscented, which I prefer, because with a moisturiser or anything like, I tend to put it on underneath my makeup, so, and makeup tends to smell a little bit, so I try not to have scented moisturisers if I can help it, or just lightly scented. Next we have, oh my gosh, we have something from Huda Beauty. That's not it. Where is it? Look at that. Wow, and it's a full-size product. So this is a demi matte cream lipstick. It creates a sheen on your lips that enhances the natural shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, then blot with a tissue for a beautiful stained effect. This retails at £18, and when you have a subscription with Glossybox you pay $11.95 I think it is a month. That's including delivery, and these products have already is £20 and £18. So just amazing. Let's have a look at this colour. So what's it? Sheikha? Something like that? Sheikha? See if I can show you it, because I can't read the... I don't know if it's going to show you. No? Okay. Oh, this is right up my street. I love this colour. That is gorgeous. That is really nice. I like that. Okay, so number 3. Oh, we have a beauty blender. This is the HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. It's a 3-in-1 makeup sponge. Perfect for applying foundation, concealer, contour and highlighter. You can use the rounded side to cover large areas, flat side to cover imperfections, and the tip to reach smaller areas with precision. You can use this wet and dry, but I personally always use them wet because otherwise they soak up too much of the product. So let's have a look at this. Oh, that feels really, really squidgy. I usually use either my foundation brush or Real Techniques Beauty Blender, but I'm happy to have this one give it a go. So I will let you know how I get on with that when I do my next makeup video. Okay, so next we have a product from Molton Brown. Now this is a mini size. What scent is this? Oh, delicious rhubarb and rose, and it's a bath and shower gel. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I wish you could smell it. That's what we need now, smell vision. That's really, really nice. So this one, the deluxe mini, which is 100ml, this retails at £7.33. Full size one of these is £22. Wow, okay. That's probably why I've never tried the brand then. Oh, it does smell really, really amazing though. Am I right my nose? And last in here we have, I'm sure I've had something from Steve Laurant before, but this is a full size lip liner. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. If it matches the Huda Beauty, I will try it on for you. I can't even open it. Okay, here we go. Come on. Oh, okay, so it is gonna match, so I will try them on for you now. But this is in the shade Vogue, and it's a full size. That's a pretty big. It's a pretty big one. That's what she said. Okay. I'm rubbish at opening things, so. Okay, we're back. I opened it. So this retails at £12.9. So yeah, I'll try these on. Don't know how well I'm gonna do it in the viewfinder. No, I'm making a mess of this. I'm just gonna grab my mirror. Sorry about the noise outside. There's a car running right out there. But for me, I don't like it when they're too sharp like this. But it will be a nice colour when. Okay. I always draw the lines, by the way. It makes your lips look fuller. Okay, so this is the liner. Excuse the face and the spots and everything else. So let's try this. I am really excited. I've never had anything from Huda Beauty before. I really like that formula. I really, because I'm not a fan of matte things because my lips are very dry most of the time. So this being a creamy matte is perfect. It's actually looking more red on the screen. It's actually like more purpley colour it is. Pinky purple. I don't know if you can see if it's showing you that. I don't know. It doesn't look the same on. Oh, it's a bit tingly. What's in that then? Because that's a bit tingly. Does it say anything? No. Let me know if any of the other Huda Beauty lip products are a bit. No, it's not stingy. It's like tingling slightly. Okay, well that was the last product. Not sure how much this added up to. 20, 38, 48. Oh, it's over 60 quid anyway. And here, oh, we got I can't speak today. We got a sneak peek of next month's. This month is sold out, but if you go on to the Glossybox website, you and add the subscription. You can cancel any time, but if you don't do it now, you won't be able to get the September box because that'll sell out as well. They do every month. But just giving you a sneak peek of next month, and it's an Avon product, which I am really excited for, because that's another brand I haven't tried just because of the price tag. They're quite pricey and they haven't. So, and then we've got a whole page showing you their new range. So they have a deeply cleansing cream, 3-in-1 rich moisturizer, gently foaming cleanser. Oh, I'd like to try that. Purifying charcoal cleanser, night serum, exfoliating clay scrub, micellar gel cleanser, hydrating mist, 3-in-1 moisturizer, and the eye boost cream. And they're all around the £15 to £20 mark. Yeah, I am definitely going to be purchasing these and reviewing these. So yeah, that is, oh, our Avon calendar is back 8th of September. That's another thing I'm definitely going to be buying, so I have to remember that, 8th of September. And if you get the Advent calendar Glossybox, it's showing here that some of the brands gonna get in there are Huda Beauty, Iconic London, and Lime Crime or Lime Chime. Never heard of those, but Huda Beauty free products in there too. And usually it's for a subscriber price, it is £80, and it's usually over like £350 worth of product, so it's definitely worth getting. And I really wanted last year, but they had sold out, so I'm definitely going to be purchasing this on the 8th of September. Anyway, I know that was a rambling one, but I just got to do it every month. I just love Glossybox. So I will leave a link down below to Glossybox. Please subscribe, it is so worth it. And it's just like a little treat to yourself every month. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.